Hey everyone and welcome. In this video, we're discussing how to fix Instagram music not available in your region. So guys, the Instagram music not available error occurs because Meta must sign local licensing agreements with record labels so that you can actually use that music. In general, if you are using a business account, Instagram restricts commercial track licensing to prevent copyright infringement. So you can just switch to a creator or personal account that will unlock the standard music catalog. So go to your profile, go three dots here, then navigate to your settings in here. Then in here, you need to search for account types. There you go here. And as you can see, I have a personal account, but you need to go ahead and just switch to professional. But you just, if you're on professional and you want to switch to personal, you can do this under this screen. Also, guys, the other thing you might want to try is just go into your app settings. Okay, here you go to storage and then clear data here, choose clear cache, like that. And the very last thing, you probably have guessed it, is you can just try using a VPN. VPNs from countries like US, UK, or Canada will give you full access. All right, that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy. If this helped in any way, subscribe to our channel.